to the Federal Correctional Facility for Mutants. Okay, we have some rules here today. You need to pay attention to these rules. First off, your mask must stay on at all times. Why is that? Mutants, okay, they give off pores. You don't want to get infected by the pores. Secondly, you don't want to touch anything, and you do want to stay together as a group. Hold on. Everything's okay. You got some cells that are open. It's alright. I can fix this. Alright, maybe I can. Everybody relax. You alright? Yeah. Okay. Can't go out that door because the power's out. So the only way out is this way. I got all these keys. I don't know which one it is. Alright, before I open this door, got a mutant just outside it. He's good. Gus is okay. He doesn't bite very hard. Follow me. Go that way. Keep going. Oh, jeez. Oh, go, just go.
My dolly wants your head.
What are you doing? Ah! You're that way. Right down there. You'll be out
Whoa! The wall just moved. Oh! Oh, this is a big one.